Hello students, welcome back to Physics with Safdar. Now you are watching IGCSE Physics free lesson series. I hope all would be great. So let's begin the lesson of the day. The topic you are going to learn is acceleration. When we look around us, some objects are at rest and others are in motion. The term acceleration is used for the moving objects only. But there is a condition. Look at the screen. Change in velocity produces acceleration. Now you are going to learn how does the velocity change. Look at this velocity equation. Velocity depends upon speed and direction. When speed changes and direction does not or constant, that produce change in velocity and we will find acceleration in the moving object. Now move on to the second condition. Starting with the same equation, velocity depends upon speed and direction. If speed is constant and direction change, that produces change in velocity, and finally you will get acceleration in the moving object. Now you will learn about acceleration in detail. Look at this first condition. When speed changes and direction does not. Look at the diagram. A car initially at rest, that's why its velocity is 0. The red light is showing the car at traffic signal. When this red light turns into green, the car starts motion and moves in the forward direction. The final velocity of the car recorded 80 km per hour. Now discuss the motion of the car in detail by using the equation of velocity. You know well, velocity depends upon speed and direction. So first discuss the speed of the car. In the example, initially the car was at rest, that's why initial velocity was 0. Now it moves from left to right and final velocity recorded 80 km per hour. So that's the change of speed. So in this situation you will find speed change. Now move on to the direction. In this case, the car was moving left to right throughout the motion. So in this case, the direction was constant. But you know well, if any one of these change, that produce change in velocity. When we have change in velocity, it produce acceleration. So you can write here, the car was accelerating in this example. Now discuss one more example. It will help you to understand acceleration easily. What is the condition we have? When speed is constant and direction change. Look at the object. It's moving towards right with the speed 10 meter per second. Then moves down with the same speed. Now we are going to discuss its motion in detail. Look at this velocity equation. You know well, velocity depends upon speed and direction. In this case, the speed was constant and direction changed. If any one of these change, that produce change in velocity. When you have change in velocity, it produce change in acceleration. So you can comment as the object was accelerating in this example. Now we will discuss about definition, equation and unit of acceleration. So let's start with the definition. That is, the change of velocity per unit time is called acceleration. For moving object, for the calculation their acceleration, we need an equation. That is equation of acceleration. Acceleration is equals to change in velocity over time. Also you can write as A for acceleration, V minus U over T. Here U is initial velocity, V is the final velocity, and T is the time taken. Now discuss the unit of acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Acceleration is a vector quantity because it has direction. At the end of the lesson, summary of acceleration, you need to remember these points. Number 1, objects are at rest, they have no acceleration. Objects move with constant velocity, they have no acceleration. Objects move with changing velocity, they have acceleration. Change in velocity produce acceleration. Changing velocity when speed is constant and direction change. You will find change in velocity when speed change but direction is constant. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video. I suggest you follow the playlist of the channel. Here you will find all the lessons you need in your IGCSE physics. So keep watching Physics with Safdar for better results in exam. See you in the next lesson. Share this video, subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Keep watching Physics with Safdar.